Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Hey, farmers, gardeners, homesteaders, and the like. Wannabes, that's what I am. Beginner, that's what I am. This is the hat that I wear out here when it's really hot, to try and keep the sun off me, off my face. And anyway, I don't know what kind of hat it is. It's not actually I guess it's a sun hat, but it's white, it's plain. I've had it forever. Where I got it from, I don't know. But I just want to put some color to it, so I'm just trying something out. So the first thing I tried to do was use a stencil. I tried to use a stencil and some markers, but it bleeds. So let me show you that. So these stencils here that I got from the Dollar Tree, I cut them up and put some tape on this, two-sided tape on this side. This one says Home Sweet Home. And I tried to tape it to the hat. It doesn't stick very well. And tried to trace this stencil. But because my hat is white, you can't see. You really can't see how to trace it. You really can't. So I did a little sample on the back. That ain't working. It bleeds. It don't look good. So I'm just going to set it on this bowl so I can. Oh, let me put it down. Sorry. Let me take this down like so. Yeah, you can see. Got this bowl here. That's the back. That's the back, so this is the front. Hold on. I got some tape in here so this hat can stick inside here and kind of form. Well, not really. Okay, so I'm just going to lay it here, and I have some, that's just color. I don't know. It's not going to be nothing perfect or whatever. I'm just going to put some color on it. Just going to try this. I got some fabric paint, and we got some pretty colors, so we're going to see. We're going to start with the, I don't know, purple. You know I love purple, so we're going to start with that. And it's, I don't know what brand. I got it from Amazon. Simply Spray, fabric spray paint. Okay, we got poppy red, bright yellow, apple green, deep purple, bright pink, and pitch black. I don't think I'm gonna use the black. Purple's gonna be deep enough. Shake it up real good. And I'm gonna test it on this, this is my spray table. This is my work table outside. Let's see how you do this. Uh-oh, you gotta open it some kind of way. Oh, tear off tab. Okay, we're gonna tear off the tab. Did I tear it? Oh, yep. So let's see. Let me just spray a little bit, see. Oh, okay. I don't know. So we're just gonna do some spraying. We go around the rim. Oh boy, that totally covered. You see that? There's bees out here, y'all. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have a purple hat. How about that? I don't want all purple. We're gonna mix some colors up. Okay, you wanna get sprayed? Get your ass off. Oh, I cursed. I'm sorry. Doggone bees. They out here bad. What I want to use next? I don't know. Let's try the yellow. Take that tab off. Maybe if I spray closer. Maybe. Put a little yellow in there. Why not? Put a little yellow in there. Okay. I'm going to try and cover that up. Maybe I have to cover that with the black. Put a little yellow right there. Put a little yellow right there. Okay, now what we got? Of course we got to use green because we out in the garden, we out in the yard, we out in the soil, not the dirt. Hands in the soil. Let's use some green. See if that green will cover that. Oh, I got blue, don't I? Hello. Do I have blue? No, I don't have blue. Okay. Ooh, it's a neon blue. I mean, neon green. A little there. Oh, a little there. Oh, a little there. A little there. Oh, I covered up my yellow. Let me put some more yellow on here. Oh boy. Colors are blending, but we got color. We got color. What else? What else? Let's try the pink. Let's try the pink. Uh-oh. Take that tab off. Where we gonna put the pink? There's some white left right there. Let's see what that does. I'm trying to, let me go closer. Concentrate it a little more, I guess. I didn't shake that too good. This is a light pink. Okay, there goes some pink. Put some pink on that purple. Some pink on this purple right here. Okay. Okay. What else we got? We got black and red. I'm not going to use black, I don't think. No. Take that tab off. Shake it up. A little red. It's a little area right here. Let's see what that does. Woo! Okay, the red is brighter. I like the red better than the pink. Okay, okay. A few spots here and there. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, let me. Oh, I can flick it. How about that? Oh, that'd be cute. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's flick it. Okay, okay. Flick. Oh, that's cool. I guess. Now, I want to flick some purple. I guess I should wipe my hands off, and I'm not gonna wipe them off on my clothes. Doggone it. I'll put it in this hand. Shake it up. Yeah. Well, I want to do some green too. Turn around. So the colors that are most vibrant to me are the green, the yellow, and the red. Okay. What did I say? Some green. I'm gonna put some more green on there. Actually, I'm just gonna go in the spots where I did the green and go over them. Make them a little darker. Get away, B. You're gonna get sprayed. You're gonna be green. Turn it around. Put some green here, some green there. Oh, darken that. Oh, it drips too. Jeez. Okay, okay. Turn it around, and then these areas that I sprayed the purple, I'm gonna spray them again. Make it darker. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do to cover that. I guess I'm gonna leave it. It's supposed to say home sweet home, but it doesn't. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna flip this over because you know, sometimes we turn our hats up. Oh, and it bleeds through. Let's see. I'm gonna pick it up. So it bleeds through. So I'm gonna turn this over and I'm gonna do this underside. But let me go wash these gloves off and come back. I'm back. And we out here in the sun and it dries fast. So, you know, after it dries, then you can do other things with it. You know, I can actually try and write on here with something different. I don't know. It might bleed, not unless I make bigger letters or something. But these bees, I'm gonna flip this over and I'm gonna do this rim. And y'all know I love that purple, so, and this is real watery. So it's pretty much for tie-dye. Basically is what it's for, as you can see in the pictures here, because it spreads wide. You just have to figure out how to use it. This is the first time I've used it, so I've had it for a while and just thought about this hat. So let's put some purple on here. Oh, that's pretty. So right there, I like the green. I like that yellow. But I can't cover it up. If I cover it up, then you won't see it good. So let me shake it. Put some yellow. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. That's my high school colors. Purple and gold. Okay. Now, Yeah, it's real watery. I'm gonna put the green next to the yellow. Let's see if it turns blue right there where I line it up. No, not really. Oh no, wait. Yeah, green and yellow. Does it turn blue supposed to? I think I know my primary colors. Put some, put some right here. And then, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna use that. Let's see, I don't think that pink is deep enough. I'm gonna use the pink, but I'm probably gonna cover it with the red. Let's see. Yeah, it's real pale. Maybe I'll do one pink. And then I'll come over here and do this side red. Where's the red? And then I'm going in, y'all, because these bees are treacherous. And ain't no flowers over here. Ain't pollinating nothing. Okay, up. There's gonna be some colorful bees out here. Rainbow bees. Keep playing with me. Okay, I'm gonna do the red. Oh, it's dripping. Hold on. Yep, there we go. Okay, put a little red right there. Okay. Oh, that red looks pretty on the purple. I'll put a little bit more right there. I'm done. Got some more gloves, just gonna spray it. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. Am I gonna do anything else? I don't know. Maybe not today. I just want to show you that you can these straw hats. You can paint them. You can make them look nice. You can doctor up however you want. I like the underside better than I like the top side. Those colors blend together and they kind of dull. I'm gonna go over that purple again. That's what I'm gonna do. Thought I was done, but hold on. Oh, I'm getting painted. Let me go with this purple. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a little deeper. Try to anyway. Nope, it's blending with that green and it's looking ugly to me. I'll put some yellow on that green and see if it does anything. Or maybe just spray paint the green again. Oh, I got some light color right here. What do I want to do there? I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to do yellow right here. I got this light right here. This is the back. That's where I put that home sweet home. Ooh. Yeah. Brighten it up a little bit. Okay. So I got spots of pink. I guess if I add a little more. I thought I was done, y'all. I'm just playing here. Okay. So I want to get my green out again. I want to go over some of these spots. Like, that's bright. Put just a little bit more in there. Okay. And then right here, I'm gonna darken it. Okay? Now try and darken this. Try and darken right there, and right here, and right here. Is that good enough? Good enough. So I say, right? More pink. And that spot is yellow, or it was yellow, so I'm gonna try and put a little bit more yellow right there. Oh, right there. Yellow and yellow. All right. I'm done. That's what I keep saying, right? Oh, let me stop. Got some on my hands, I'm gonna flick it. Okay. That is all. Can't try it on now because it's still wet, but that's better than that white, I think. What do you think? I might put something else on it with some markers. Maybe not. Beginner gardener. I don't know what I want to put on it. And that's the underside. Cool. Thumbs up, right? Thanks for watching. Oh, let me turn this camera up a little bit. Sorry. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Try it out. It's not bad. You can find these hats anywhere. Order some of this paint. Or, you can use acrylic paint. You can use markers. Just jazz it up for our gardening needs. Keep that sun up off of us like it's all in my face right now. I'm not mad or anything. The sun is in my eyes. Let me smile. Deuces! We'll see you next time. Love ya. Haven't subscribed, please do so at this time, or check out some more of my videos to see if you like the content. If you do, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can be aware of all of the up and coming videos that I have planned for you all. I love you, and I'm out this time. Okay? Gotta come closer, turn this camera off. Later, Gators. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.